G'day, Mark Pesce here, author of Getting Started with ChatGPT and AI Chatbots, coming in January from BCS Books. Now, one of the things that we always hear about AI chatbots is that they can lie. Now, they don't mean to lie. They're not evil. They're not thinking. They're not trying to deceive you. But because of the way that they're trained, they're always looking for the most probable response to any question put to them. And if they can't quite find that probable response, and this is an area that's very poorly understood, but if they can't quite find it, they will still generate a response. It's generative AI. They will always try to generate a response, which means they may fabricate something. But because they're not thinking, they have no idea they're fabricating this, that they have just made it up out of the whole cloth. They're just using their training to generate a response. Now, the problem here is that if you've asked it a question in an area where you don't have a lot of expertise, that means that a chatbot could lie to you and you would be unable to detect the fact that it has just made up a lie. And that means that some of the pressure is on us to learn how to use these systems safely. So we now need to start to think about what it means to work with AI, because these tools are very powerful, but they are unreliable. And that means there's always a need for human oversight. This is one of the reasons why we don't need to worry about AI putting us all out of work, because in fact, the more AI that we use to automate a lot of our tasks, the more there's going to be a need for human oversight to check in on AI. Because if these tools are not entirely trustworthy, well, what do? We subject them to larger amounts of human oversight. And that means that the future is actually a partnership between these AI tools and the human experts who will be managing them. That is the way we will be able to work safely and wisely in a world with a lot more artificial intelligence. That and a lot more is in my book, Getting Started with ChatGPT and AI Chatbots, coming in January from BCS Books. If you'd like to pre-order, just scan this QR code or visit markpesce.com/book. Thank you.